Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing the MAPerformance intake and the Stage 1 Plus tune. Now, the first thing I noticed with this is that the boost comes on a whole lot stronger. This intake is like completely free-flowing compared to the stock intake that's like in a plastic accordion tube of just quiet and boring. This thing is amazing. It sounds so cool. Like, even if you don't care about the power, you should definitely get this intake just for the sound. You can hear the blow-off valve, dude. Oh my god. That is so sick. Oh shit. Oh man, that's so cool. Oh my god. I don't know if you can hear this. I really hope you can, but I mean, come on, dude. It sounds so sick. I did not realize how cool this thing was gonna sound. I am so stoked. Dude! Another really cool thing that I noticed is that my gas mileage has gone up from this. It's kind of fitting that, you know, most of this is going to be on the highway because that's where I spend most of my time in my car. Like, I don't miss having the torque curve where it was with the stock tune, you know, because it came on so strong, you couldn't hear it hardly at all. You heard a little bit of a whistle whenever you were in the right part of the power band, but with the tune and the intake, it doesn't matter anymore. Wow! Holy hell! That is so much faster. Oh my god. Dude, I don't know if you can see this footage, but I wanted to make sure and get my genuine initial reaction to this, and it is amazing. Somewhere in this video I'm gonna have clips of my absolute freak out the night that I put it on. I hope the video turned out okay. I'm pretty sure the sound was awesome. I had no... Dude, this is so sick. Dude, it just goes and goes and goes and goes and goes. It just keeps going. It goes and it goes and it goes some more, and dude, it blew my mind. Alright, I'm tired of sitting behind this person. So, you know, whatever, I guess. I'd really like to take this car to the track. I want to take it to a drag track. I want to take it to some autocross, to some road course. I'd love to do that, you know, budget willing. So it's really normal and tame when you're not in boost. Like, you can't hear any kind of suction or anything, which makes sense, you know, it's pulling vacuum. But as soon as you get into boost, even just a little bit, there's just warms my heart. I hope you can see me. I hope all this video is not just garbage. Oh man, I know you can hear me freaking out, but God, if you can't see the look on my face, oh man, oh dude, it was so worth wrestling with all that crap. Oh my God. Oh crap, I gotta find a stop sign. I just wanted to get like initial, like, oh man, I just wanted to get, oh my God, that's cool, but whoop, I didn't know I was gonna have this reaction. Holy hell, that's so awesome. Oh, I hope you can hear the blow off valve in the camera. That's so cool. Wow. I love it when I wonder why people are going so slow and I look over at them and they're just driving like this with their phone in their hand. It makes me feel so safe to be on the road with them. Boost comes on at about 2,000 RPMs, builds to about 3 when it hits its peak, I believe, and then holds at about 18-19 PSI. It's supposed to produce, I've seen numbers from 20 to 40 horsepower over just a stage 1 tune without the intake. It feels strong. It feels so strong in a pull. Like before it just kind of rev and just meh. But now it's like, whoa, dude! Oh my God, dude! Oh my God! Oh, Jesus! Dude, that is so awesome! Wow! Now I know the car claims to do 5.85 0 to 60 time from the factory. A professional drag racer with an all-wheel drive car could probably do 5.8. There's probably a lot of not professional drag racers out there that can do 5.8. But this is my first all-wheel drive car, and I don't want to break stuff. So I'm not hard launching it, and I don't know. We'll figure it out. I cannot be more happy with this purchase. And just the sound alone. I was gonna wait to do a review tomorrow, but fuck, this is gonna be half of it right here. Just me freaking out over how cool it sounds. If you're looking for something to do to your car and you've got the money, save up the money because you want this. At the very least, the access port. The stage 1 tune versus the stock tune, totally different car. And then if you want the best bang for your buck, honestly, I would say get the intake. So, I mean, like, well, I think that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hit the like button. Make sure you hit the notification bell. If you want to make sure and see everything that I do on this car, I will be documenting every single thing that I do to this car. So, just ring the little bell. And thanks for watching.